Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4. That one's got the V6 engine in it. It is sounding good, so I'll go ahead and close this up, take it for a tour. It's got the floodlights up front, and those headlights don't flicker the human eye. That disco party is brought to you by the refresh rate of my camera. This one has alloy wheels and steps on the running board. So it's a four-door, that's very convenient. So you can see by the badging, it has the TRD 4x4 off-road package. And the no rust bed that's over here is a 110 outlet right there, super convenient. Power sliding back window, backup camera, tow package. Alrighty, see that we do have a black leather interior. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. Alright, this does have a JBL sound system. And as you look down here, you're going to see this one only has 5,960 miles on it. Got your push to talk, your volume, channels, and you have your lane departure sensor, your vehicle to vehicle sensor, and your trip computer up here. As you come down here, you're going to see here's your push button start, 2- and 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor. Here's your power sliding back window, USBs, extra power and such. Then of course up here you look and you see the heated seats, navigation, and you see that you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And you can also connect your phone, have additional apps through your phone, and then we'll bounce back over to the map. Pop it in reverse so that you can see the backup camera. There we go. All right, as you come down, you're going to have cup holders, your shifter, handbrake. And right there, we've got our key fob, additional cup holder, glove compartment, and then up here you've got your sunroof. So, then here's your terrain selector as well. And that about wraps up this Toyota on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here up front. The airbags did not deploy, and there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.